will hear me and will see me, because the main event is on our YouTube channel. Okay, cool. So I see that we are already live on YouTube. So write down in the chat if you can now hear me and see me. Hello everybody, I'm so excited to be here today with you. Amazing. I'm so happy to see everyone here with us in this release, in the new feature release of AutoDS, in the launch event. So many people so waited for this event, so I'm really happy to see that everyone is here. Now, something which is really important for me to say: if you write questions on Facebook, I know that you see us on Facebook also, but I will check the comments only on our YouTube channel. So go right now to our YouTube channel, right in YouTube, just write AutoDS and you will find us there. There is one live event, so just join this live event and you will see me there. We will wait one last minute and we will start the event. Please write down in the chat what would you like to learn today about the manual dropshipping, so I can really adapt the webinar for you and for your needs. Write down in the chat right now everything that you want to know about manual dropshipping, because in the end of the webinar we will have a Q&A session, so you will be able to ask there anything, but also during the webinar I want to answer the questions which you will write now on the chat. Thank you, Lidor. Okay, amazing. So again, everyone who is writing us questions on Facebook, go to YouTube right now and write all of your questions there, because the main event is on YouTube. Just write in YouTube AutoDS and you will find the event. Okay, so are you ready? Are you excited as I am? I'm so excited for this webinar today, for this event. Write down in the chat what features are available. Okay, so I'm ready to go. Let's go. Okay, so are you ready? Are you excited as I am? I'm so excited for this webinar today, for this event. Write down in the chat. So, what we are going to talk about today on this live event, I'm ready to go. Going to launch actually officially our manual dropshipping solution in AutoDS, the solution which will help you to work with manual stores without linking API to your eBay store. So what does it mean, and what will you know if you stay with us until the end of this webinar? Okay, so are you ready? Are you excited as I am? I'm so excited for this. We know exactly what is non-API solution, why do you need this, so what is manual eBay. What we are going to talk about today on this live event, I'm ready to go, going to launch actually officially our manual dropshipping solution in AutoDS. You will know everything that you need to know about this, and in the end of the webinar we will also have a Q&A session where you can ask me anything that you want. So what does it mean, and what will you know if you stay with us until the end of this webinar? Okay, so are you ready? How excited I am? I'm so excited for this. We know exactly what is non-API solution, why do you need this, so what is manual eBay. What we are going to talk about today on this slide, when I'm ready to go, going to launch actually how to work with the manual dropshipping solution in AutoDS. We know everything that you need to know about this with manual. And in the end of the webinar, we will also have a Q&A session where you can ask me anything that you want. So what does it mean and what will you know if you stay with us until the end of this webinar? Okay, so are you ready? How excited I am? I'm so excited to know this. We know exactly what is non-API solution, why do you need this, so what is manual eBay. What we are going to talk about today on this. Is it better now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me right now? Please write down in the chat. So now it's better? Amazing. Amazing. Cool. So let me start again. In this webinar, you will know exactly what is manual dropshipping, how to work with manual dropshipping, what is non-API solution, why you need it, how it came to the world, and how to work with it on AutoDS. If you stay until the end, you will be able to ask me anything in the Q&A session. You will be able to ask me anything actually about eBay dropshipping, about dropshipping in general, and about AutoDS and the manual dropshipping solution. So, what will we know today, what we will teach today, and what will happen today? The first thing is that we will know what is manual dropshipping, what does it mean. We will show you why did we decide to provide the manual dropshipping solution for our dropshippers in AutoDS, why we need this solution, how to work with the extension of this solution, how to configure it, why we call it the most automatic non-API solution, the two steps of the upload process. I will show you two steps process of uploading products. It's something new in AutoDS that will really help you to work with the manual dropshipping solution. We will show you a special trick which will help you to work with your virtual assistants. Also, I will show you how to monitor your prices and stocks in the most automatic way for the manual dropshipping solutions. I will show you how to work with the automated orders in AutoDS, even with the manual dropshipping solution. Other special techniques and functionalities that you can do and work with them in AutoDS. I will show you about troubleshooting, how to troubleshoot any issue that you have with the manual dropshipping solution. And the last thing is that we will show you, actually we will talk a little bit about what will happen on the 26th of this month. So, how did it start? How did the manual dropshipping came to the world and what does it mean? First of all, the manual dropshipping refers to a method where you can work on eBay without linking any software to your eBay account. And what does it mean? When you link AutoDS to your eBay account, eBay knows that you linked AutoDS to your account. There are many people who say that the API flag eBay accounts. We cannot say if it's really true or it's not true, but we decided to develop this solution because of our users and because we really listen to our users. We got many requests in AutoDS that people asked us to develop this solution, so we just decided to provide you this solution to make your life easier, because we knew that if you will work manually without any tool, it will be really hard for you, so we really listened to our customers and developed this solution. But how this solution came to the world? Actually, it came to the world because there were some tools which blocked on eBay, and eBay restricted them from working with their eBay API. So these tools didn't have any option except working with the manual dropshipping solution, and from there this myth or not myth, I cannot say on this webinar, came to the world. The current situation in the dropshipping, these are two images, two screenshots from stores of our clients who work actually with the API solution and still really successful. So I just want to show you that this is also something which is possible. Now, after we talked about all of this stuff, let's go and let's show you really how to work with this solution for those who really want to work with the manual dropshipping solution, with the non-API solution of AutoDS. So why I call it the most automatic non-API solution? First of all, the non-API solution in AutoDS supports most of the functionality of AutoDS. It supports the regular and the bulk uploads, including the draft uploads. It means that you can actually schedule your upload, then give to your virtual assistant and access to your account. They can schedule and work on all of your listings, edit it, and then you can with one click send it to your store. I will show you it on, later today. Automatic price and stock monitoring in other tools and in other solutions that exist today for a non-API solution. Actually, you need to go to the monitor, download files, and then go and upload the files directly to eBay to show eBay that you do it manually. In AutoDS, we developed a solution that gives you the opportunity to do this fully automated. It means that if your Chrome browser will be on, everything will be done fully automated for you without any software and without any API. Automatic order sync plus automated orders. All of your orders from your eBay account will appear in AutoDS and will be showed in AutoDS even with the non-API solution. Also, the automated orders are working for the non-API solution. Automatic price optimization, we will talk about this later, and filters plus bulk updates, which also supported for the non-API solution. So let's go and let's jump for the live demonstration of how to work with the non-API solution in AutoDS. So the first thing that we need to do is to add a non-API store. And how to do this? If you register to AutoDS, by the way, if you go with the link which I just posted here in the bottom of the video, actually you can just write autods.com/now$1, now-1-$, and you will get to this page. So you can get up to 10,000 listings trial for 1 week, and then you can just try the tool. So after I registered to AutoDS and I logged in, I will see the next screen. It doesn't matter if you're already AutoDS user or not AutoDS user, you will have the same screen which looks like this. Here you have two options. The first one is Connect Store, and the second one is Add Non-API Store. So if you want to work without the API, I will click on Add Non-API Store, and here let's see what we have. The first thing is that we have here the store name. You can put here any name, it just shouldn't appear in AutoDS, it should be something unique. So I will just write here Lior's AutoDS new store. Here you can put any valid email address, so I will write here support@autods.com. If you write here not valid email address, it will not work. And here you should configure your store. So here I choose which profit I want in percentage, in dollars, what break even I want for my store, and eBay target if I work with eBay US, eBay UK, eBay Germany, France or Italy. I will click submit, and it will take me to the next stage. So this stage is something really important, and actually it will make all of your life much easier if you work with the non-API Chrome extension of AutoDS. You can work even without the extension, and I will show you how to do this, but I really recommend you to work with the extension. So let's click on download Chrome extension. It will send me to the Chrome extensions store. Here I will just click add to Chrome store, add to Chrome browser, and the extension will be downloaded to my computer. Let's do this. So I'll just click add to Chrome, add extension, and it will be added to my browser. The next step is to configure our extensions. So AutoDS takes me automatically to this step, and here I will just click copy, it will give me the token of my store. I will go to the extension, open it for the first time. I will paste here the token. The token actually is something which is unique for your eBay store in AutoDS, so we can recognize the store and we can sync the extension with your eBay store. Under the email address, I can write any email address. It doesn't matter for AutoDS, and actually it doesn't matter for you. The only thing why it can help you, it can show you that AutoDS really works, because you will get always emails from eBay that file exchange is working, that products are ready for download, or that a file was uploaded to eBay. So I recommend you to put here a real email, but it doesn't really matter. So if I put here something fake, it will not work. If I put here something right, it will work. Save, and it's saved. Now, after I close the extension and open it again, I will see automatically that all of my monitors are running. So let's go over the monitors and let's understand how does this extension works and why do we need it and how to work with the extension. So the untracked monitor is the monitor which is responsible to show you on AutoDS all of the products that exist on eBay but doesn't exist on your eBay store, on your AutoDS account, sorry. So this is how it looks like. I will show you later how to link these products to AutoDS, but for now let's focus on the extension. The second thing here is the orders monitor. If the orders monitor is on running status, you will see all of your orders from eBay under the orders page. The only thing that you need to know is that the products that you want to appear here under the orders page should be first synced to the active listings page from the untracked. So this is about the orders. The next one is the repricing monitor, which is the price and stock monitor. If this will not run, your price and stocks will not be updated on eBay, and I will show you another things which it will also affect later. What we have here in the bottom, upload pending uploads to eBay, we'll go over it very soon. Update uploads results, also I will show you. Run untracked sync now. So if you joined AutoDS and you don't want to wait 1 hour until untracked listings will, the monitor will run, you can just click on this button and it will sync the products from eBay to AutoDS. Same about run order sync now. So if you want to run the order sync right now and you don't want to wait for the monitor to run, just click on this button. When it's really helpful, it's helpful if you just turned on your browser, for example, you can work with it, or you had any issue with the extension, for example, your eBay account wasn't logged in, so you can click on this button. Let's continue. The next thing here, by the way, keep your questions until the end of this webinar because I will go over all of your questions and I promise you to answer any question that you have. But be aware that the questions will be answered on our YouTube channel. So the 2 steps upload process of AutoDS, let's see how it works for the manual solution. I will go to AutoDS, I will click on the uploader. For those who already use AutoDS, it's really the same. It's really actually similar process as you used to work until now. I will take any product from any of our supported suppliers. Here are the supported suppliers: Amazon US, Walmart, Banggood, AliExpress, Home Depot, Wayfair, Costco, Overstock and Costway, and the 2 next suppliers are DHgate and China brands. I will put here the link, click, grab details. I'll wait until it loads the product. I see that it loaded it with all of the variations. By the way, something very important, the Vero system, the advanced Vero system of AutoDS is working also for the non-API solution. In AutoDS, something that we do is because we have over 7,000 stores which linked to AutoDS with API, we are reading their messages, and if someone gets Vero violation, we will add this brand to our Vero list, and then other users will be secured and will be safe. So we took all of item specifics as it do also for the API solution from the supplier. Here you can copy item specifics from another eBay seller. If I put here item ID, I will not do it right now. I can click on create collage and create a collage from the photos. Then I will go down, and here is the first different thing between non-API and API solution. First of all, if I work with American suppliers or French suppliers, it depends on the marketplace where you sell. So if I sell on the United States on eBay.com, the policy here will be automatically a policy which adapted for eBay.com, from Amazon to eBay. If I work with Chinese supplier, I can choose here the second option, the international, change here the country to China, for example, and then click Save Product. But we are uploading right now product from Amazon, so let's focus on this product. I'll click here Save Product, and let's see what happens. So with the API solution, we would have here two buttons. The first one is Schedule Upload, where we can choose a time, and the second one is Upload Now. Here we don't have this solution, this button, and we have something different. We have the Save Product button. So I will click Save Product, and what will happen? All of my uploads, all of the saved products, it doesn't matter if you do it with the bulk upload or with the regular upload, because we support also bulk uploads for the non-API solution. Everything will appear under the Schedule Uploads calendar. So what we have here, I can click here, I can see the product that I just scheduled. I can click Edit and edit anything here, and this is actually what I said about the VA, the virtual assistant. You can give to your employees to make this for you, and then you can just go and edit everything, or just give to your virtual assistant to edit it for you. And then with one click, using the extension, I just open the extension, click on Upload Pending Uploads to eBay. And then what will happen is that it will actually sync. Okay, 1 second. Something very important here. Sometimes you will see that Actions doesn't work. And why it happens? Because you need to be signed into your eBay account. If you see a message like this, just click on Sign in to your eBay account here. It will forward you to eBay. Put here your username and password, click Sign in, and that's all. Now you can click on the button again, and you will see that it works. So it's already uploaded the products for me because I clicked on this before. And then the status of the products will be changed from pending to downloaded. Let's see this. Oh, I'm on the wrong store, 1 second. So here we put before the token when we loaded the new store. So I need to switch the token to the current store that I'm working with. I'll just go to settings, take the token from here, click Save Settings. And now when I click on Upload Pending Uploads to eBay, all of the pending uploads will be sent to eBay. So let's go back to the Schedule Uploads calendar. You can see that the upload is under In Progress process. So all what you need to know is that you have here the bell. It will show you all of the notifications and all of the problems in your account. In this situation, we can see here that the account wasn't logged in before. And then when we logged into the account, we put here the right token, everything works. The next thing that will happen is that when the upload will be finished on eBay, by the way, you don't need to keep AutoDS open. You need only to have your Chrome browser opened, and that's all. You need your AutoDS account to be, even if I close all of the tabs of AutoDS, the extension will continue the monitoring and everything will continue to run. Even if you have a very big bulk upload, it will continue to upload products to eBay while your browser is opened. So I sent the upload to eBay, and then after a few minutes I will see that everything synced and I will see my products under the active listings. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to click on the Upload Pending Uploads to eBay, and then the upload will appear here after the upload will be finished. If you see that the results, actually the product didn't appear here on the active listings page, you can just click on Update Uploads Results to AutoDS, and it will sync the products from eBay to AutoDS, the last uploads. When it can happen if you click on upload pending uploads to eBay. You will close your browser, and then the products will not be synced back to AutoDS. So they will be uploaded to eBay and will not be synced to AutoDS. In this case, just click on the second button here, update upload the results to AutoDS, and that's all. Everything will happen automatically. Let's see what more we have with the uploader. So as I said before, both of the uploaders, regular uploader and bulk uploader, are working. If I go to the schedule uploads calendar and I want to change all of the products which are in downloaded status to pending, because maybe my browser crashed, maybe I had internet issues or something like this, I can just click here on change downloaded to pending, and it will change it back to pending, and then I can just click again on this button. Are you with me, guys? Please write down on the chat if you are with us so we can continue with the webinar. I will answer all of your questions after the webinar, I promise you, after I finish the slides. About the price and stock monitoring. So if we configure our Chrome extension right, everything will run automatically. We don't need to do anything. We only need to keep our browser on. One time every hour, all of our prices and stocks will be synced automatically from AutoDS to eBay. Now, something that you need to keep in mind. Here we will see the new updates of AutoDS. So maybe you will see here a sell price which is different than what you have on eBay. Why does it happen? Because your extension still didn't sync it to eBay. Just wait up to 1 hour and you will see that it's synced automatically to eBay. What more? If I do any edit here, if I change the title, if I change the price, if I change the quantity here, on the next scan of AutoDS, everything will be synced automatically to eBay. Same about the filters. If I do here a filter, then I go to bulk change and I change anything on the filter, for example, prices or stocks, everything will be synced to eBay on the next scan of AutoDS. So all what you need to do is to keep your browser on with the extension. This is something which you just need to keep in mind. Another thing here is this orange button. Always keep in mind, the orange buttons are for the non-API users only. So if I click on export listings for file exchange, actually you don't need it. You need it only if you work without the extension. But if you want, you can download it from here, then go to eBay, click on upload here, choose file location, upload the active listings file that you just downloaded, click here on upload, and after a few minutes you will see that all of the prices, titles and stocks will be synced to eBay. So if you don't want to wait until the extension does this, you can just download the file from here and do this manually. This is actually how most of the tools are working right now on the world, but we added the automatic solution because our main goal in AutoDS is really to save time for our users, and we don't want you to work hard. We prefer you to focus on your business. We prefer you to actually improve your business and not to spend time on uploading products and downloading products from different places. About the warranty. For API users, we give a warranty that if the monitor didn't run for any reason because we had maybe issues with the server or any bug, we give you full warranty. It means that you will get from us refund for losses. For non-API dropshippers, we cannot offer this warranty because of one reason, because we don't know when your browser was on and when it was off. This is why I have to say it here. About the orders. So let's see what we have for orders. First of all of your orders will be synced to the orders page automatically. If your extension is running, it works the same as it works for API users. If you want to import orders here to this page, you have two options. The first option is the extension will do this automatically for you, and it will sync the orders from the last 7 days to this page. But what happens if you want to import here products from more than last 7 days? You can go to eBay, click on download files, then choose here sold standard from the last, for example, 30 days, then click here save, and that's all. The file will be downloaded and will be showed here under the completed downloads. Then you can download the file from here, upload it to AutoDS to this page under the choose file, and that's all. You can open this page and you will see it here. Again, you don't need it if you work with the extension. The extension will do it automatically for you. What about the automated orders? So AutoDS supports automated orders for AliExpress and for Amazon. For AliExpress it's free, for Amazon it costs credits. For new users you get 30 credits for free, and you get also the orders processor for the trial for free. The AliExpress, again, as I said, it's free for forever and for everyone. The auto orders are working also for the non-API solution, all of the types of our auto orders. The fully automated orders, the semi-automated, which means that you just need to click here and the order will be sent, or the copy-paste extension, which works for both non-API and API solutions. About tracking number updates and about 3 messages to the buyers. These features are still not supported in AutoDS, but they will be supported really soon, and we will make some partnerships with another solution that will help you to do this automatically to AutoDS. Okay, so before we go to other functionality and other special features of AutoDS, I would like to ask you if everything is clear until now, or if you have any questions about our non-API solution. How does it seem for you? Is it seems for you something hard or something really easy to use with the non-API solution of AutoDS, because we really tried to automate everything for you and make it much easier for you? As I said, this is really our main goal in AutoDS, to save you time. It's really important for us, and I would really like to know your feedback until now. What do you think about this solution until now? Write down on the chat. Again, people who listen to us on Facebook or on any other media, go to YouTube, write AutoDS on the chat, on the search bar here, and listen to the webinar on YouTube. It's really important, so you can ask questions and I will see the questions. The order fulfillment for the non-API will not send tracking number updates, but we are working on this. It will send the orders automatically. Transferring items is a nightmare. I will show really soon how to transfer all of your products to AutoDS. It's really easy. Don't worry about this. I will show everything and everything will be clear. Actually, it's fully automated, so it's really easy. Let's continue. Other special and unique functionality of AutoDS. The first thing is the filters and bulk changes. All of the filters and the bulk changes of AutoDS are supported also for the non-API solution. Same about our last feature of filter by buying Amazon accounts, also supported in AutoDS. So I'll click here on filter. All of the filters here are supported, except only very few filters like policy change. I think this is the only one which is not supported, but I'm not sure, but most of them are here. Same about bulk changes. All of the bulk changes are here except the changing of the policy. So the next feature that I want to show you is that we have on AutoDS the price raise and price drop feature. This feature is off for now for the non-API users, but it will be on really soon. So the feature which will increase for you prices if the products are selling well for you, and will decrease the price if the product didn't sell for you. This feature is really increasing a lot of sales, and it's really amazing feature, and we will release it really soon for the non-API users also. The other feature which we have is the round prices to 99 cents. This feature is fully supported on AutoDS even for the non-API solution, so we can just go here and check this feature. About the mobile apps, we just released some time ago the mobile apps of AutoDS that I want to show you right now on my phone. So we released, let me make a video. Okay, so we released this app some time ago. The app is fully supported for both type of stores, non-API and API stores, so you can actually work with this app. You will get notifications for anything that happens in your business, like failed orders or locked Amazon accounts. Everything will be on the application. So this is something which will also help you to manage your dropshipping business for both non-API solutions and API. Also, you can just save all of your uploads from the application, work on your products, and then you can go and with one click, when you came to your home, click on the extension, click on upload pending uploads to eBay, and everything will be uploaded to eBay automatically. So someone asked here how to migrate from another tool to AutoDS, and I said that I will answer this soon because we actually have a slide about this. The process is really simple. All what you need to do, after you install the extension, your untracked listings will be shown under this page. After all of your untracked listings are shown here, all what you need to do, click connect untracked listings with file, and here you have the instructions. Now, if you're coming from another dropshipping tool, in most of the tools, if you download the AutoDS helper, go to Google, write AutoDS helper, and here you will see this extension. When you download this extension, on the bottom right you will see this icon on your monitor tool. So go to your active listings, open this extension. After this, click on extract, and you will see that all of your products appear here. Now it extracts the pages one by one, so just go over the pages and click extract again and again. And then just click export as CSV. So let's make a demonstration. I click extract, and we'll see here all of my products from the other tool. It will do something different than what it does on Amazon. Click export as CSV, then go here, click connect untracked listings with file, choose your new file which you just downloaded, click update, and that's all. The process is really simple, and all of your products will be synced from the untracked listings to active listings. This process may take only a few minutes or up to 1 hour. It depends on the size of your store, but this is something which is really fast. If you don't see your products on this page, what you should do? So first of all, you can click on the button of run untracked sync now and wait a few minutes. If you don't use the extension, click on add new untracked listings, and here you have instructions about what to do if you don't use the extension and you want to sync your untracked listings. The process is, first of all, you need to see the untracked listings on this page, and then you can upload a file of eBay ID and ASIN and actually source ID on this page under this button, and that's all. Your products will be synced to AutoDS. It's really easy. If you have any issues with it, just write down to our support on this chat. We are open for 24/7, so just write down on the chat and our support team will be really happy to help you with the migration. It's really easy. Again, for those who are not AutoDS users, for $1 you can try AutoDS and see how does this solution works for you. So I think that actually, we went over all of the things in AutoDS that are relevant for the non-API solution. For sure, we didn't go over all of AutoDS features because AutoDS is a huge platform. I just showed you some very specific things which are important for the non-API. I want to summarize it. If your extension is downloaded and your Chrome browser is on, everything will happen automatically. When you upload product using the uploader, you can use both of the uploads. regular upload and bulk upload. If I choose the bulk upload, I can put here a list of asins. Then I can click here save products, and that's all. The products will be saved, will be shown under the schedule uploads calendar, and that's all. Now question, show you this, 1 second. As you can see here, this product failed to upload because, and you can see here exactly the reason. So all of the reasons will be synced from eBay to AutoDS automatically. In this account specifically, this account is a not active account, and this is why it doesn't upload to eBay, because this account cannot upload any new products. Save the date. 26th of this month we will have another huge event about something really interesting. Just save this date in your calendars. It will be at 2 p.m. EST. Write down for yourself. It will be another special event which will increase your profits by a lot of percentage. So now it's the Q&A time. Write down under the Q&A section anything that you want to ask me about, first of all about the non-API solution, and later we will go for dropshipping questions. Okay, about moving API account, API eBay store to non-API. So even those people who say that non-API stores are not getting flagged and that this solution is better, even those gurus say that if your store is already flagged, moving to non-API will not help you. So we don't recommend you to move your current stores to the non-API solution. If you want to work with the non-API solution, you just need to create another store. If I already flagged dropshipper status one, yes, that's true. If you go to non-API and your account already flagged, it will not help you. You can go to our blog, autods.com/blog, and we have an article about how to work with flagged accounts. So just go to this article here, and here you can really learn a lot about, let me show you this on screen share. I went to AutoDS blog, then here, okay, here dropshipping knowledge blog. Here we have the how to work with eBay flagged accounts. Click on this and just follow this guide. It's something different than working with the non-API solution. Rolla, I know about this. All what you need to do is to wait until the next scan. If you wait until the next scan of AutoDS, all of your titles, prices, and quantity of products that you see on AutoDS will be synced directly to eBay. Again, any question that you have, please don't write on Facebook. Write it on our YouTube channel. We are live there. So go to the channel and ask anything that you want to ask there directly. Go to YouTube, write there AutoDS. You will see the first video, which is this live event, and just ask anything there. Is there updated training for best set up all AutoDS features when using non-API? We have the mentorship program in AutoDS. Any user which have over 2,000 listings can get free mentor from AutoDS, which will help you really to increase your profits. The screenshots which I showed in the beginning of the webinar, it's from some of the students from our mentors. So just go to AutoDS and ask on the support chat to get a mentor, and they will show you how to do it. What are the difference between non-API and API? API is linked to your eBay store with API, like eBay knows that it's a software, and non-API, eBay doesn't know that you're using a software. In AutoDS, most of the functionality is supported for the non-API, but there are some features which are not supported. For example, our customer support system, which includes the cases, returns, and cancellations management. Also the templates for the messages. In AutoDS, you can use the messaging center and answer your customers really easily using pre-made templates. Without API, you cannot do this. So, how can I get a source ID for products that I have transferred from another solution that AutoDS doesn't have, meaning untracked listings? It's really easy, as I said before. Download an extension which is called AutoDS Helper, then click Extract under your active listings on the other tool. Go to AutoDS, untracked listings, click here, connect untracked listings with file, and that's all. You can also ask us on the support chat here, and we will help you with any question. It's a really easy process. The migration process takes only a few minutes. It's really easy. You don't need to worry about this. Why I personally prefer API over non-API? Because I manage 30 stores. It's much easier for me to manage all of these stores with API. In this way, I can really upload 10,000 listings per eBay store. In this way, I can manage all of the stores from one browser. I don't need to jump between different browsers and keep different browsers on just for the solution to work. So as I said before, we really made the best and the most automatic solution for you, but I personally prefer for now to work with the API solution until I see that there are differences. In a few weeks, we will have the right statistic from all of our users. Rola, it seems that you are doing something wrong. Please write down to the support, and the support will help you with any question. Don't worry about this. Sure, the API solution is still working in AutoDS. I personally working with the API solution for now. So all of the solutions are working in AutoDS. I know that there are tools which are working only with the non-API. The reason for this is because they don't have the approval from eBay to work with the non-API, with the API solution. How you can work with the messages and with the non-API solution? Actually, you can create two stores in AutoDS, one for API and one for non-API, even for the same store. Just for the API store, you can just not linking your products and not monitoring using this store, and work with the non-API for the monitoring. Are you going to add eBay Australia? For now, we will not add eBay Australia because this marketplace is not really useful and it's not really profitable. Does it make a difference with API or without API? For my stores, for now, I'm using with API. I cannot tell you right now which solution is better. I will have the statistics in few weeks, and we will make another live event and we will show you the right statistics about what's better, API or non-API. Can I create multiple eBay stores? Yes, the good thing in AutoDS is that you can manage all of your stores from one screen. If I go to AutoDS dashboard, I will see here in the bottom a graph of the statistics from this store. But here in the bottom, I can also see the statistics from all of my stores together. And not only this, if I go to the active listings page, then I click on filter. I can filter all of my stores together. I can see the products from all of my stores together, which is really amazing. Same about the orders. I can see the orders from all of my stores together. I think that this is something which is really important for people who work with more than one eBay store. Don't forget to write down in your calendars, 26th of September at 2 p.m. EST, we will have another big event, so write it for yourself. What is the price difference for API and non-API? Okay, this is a good question, and this is something that really important that you asked. For any non-API solution, we charge another $10. Why we do this? The reason why we do this is because we spend now a lot of time of the developers and a lot of my time and my partners just to develop the non-API solution. Any solution which we had until now, any feature, I'm using personally on my eBay stores. This is why these features were also worth it for me. But the non-API solution was just for the clients and just because people asked for this feature. So this is why we added this extra cost because of all of the development. But I'm sure that this solution is the best one and it's the biggest time saver in the whole niche of dropshipping for the non-API solutions, so I'm sure that it's worth it for you. Okay, someone asked about if we are gonna do some changes for auto ordering to decrease the number of locked Amazon accounts. The answer is yes. Actually, on this week or maybe in the beginning of the next week, you will get a message from us which explains about our new auto ordering system in AutoDS, which will decrease the amount of your blocked and locked Amazon accounts. Okay, about credits. How does the credits in AutoDS work? So any credit in any auto order in AutoDS except AliExpress, for AliExpress it's free, but for Amazon any credit, any order it's 1 credit. So the minimum price is 16 cents per auto order, and then it goes higher if you have less orders per month. So it's up to 16 cents per auto order, which is 1 credit. For API, everything supported, 3 messages to buyers and tracking number updates. For the non-API, only the auto ordering process itself supported for the non-API. Write down in the chat any question that you have about dropshipping and about our new solution. Okay, someone is asking, is the migration process is hard? No, the migration process takes only a few minutes and it's really something which is really easy. You can just write down to our support and the support will help you, or follow up what I already showed on this webinar and it will also help you to migrate. It's really easy process. Didrik, I didn't see your question. Okay, I see. No, for now we don't support Shopify in AutoDS. No, AutoDS is a platform for dropshipping to eBay for now. ST, yes, you can write in Hebrew, but I will answer in English. Guys, any personal question about AutoDS, just write down to the chat right now. The chat is open, our support is open, and we will help you. Why you don't develop tracking numbers updates from email without enter Amazon account? We already do this. The tracking numbers are updated from eBay. from Gmail. And the other thing that you need to know is that AutoDS improved a lot the logging in system to Amazon, so you don't have any dangers here. Yes, if you want the non-API solution to run for you for 24/7, for each non-API store, you need another server and another browser. One trick that you can do, let me share my screen. If I click here on the top, I can click here manage people. When I click manage people, I can add another account here. So if I add another Chrome account, I can link there another eBay store. So if I have, for example, 10 eBay stores which are linked, are sitting on the same computer, same browser, for each store I can create another Chrome browser, Chrome user, Google Chrome user here, and then I can just open few users, some users together, install on all of them the extension for each of the users. I can put another token and it will run in parallel. So in AutoDS you will see all of your stores together, and also the monitoring will run for all of them together. How many products you can upload in one time using the non-API solution? How much you want? It doesn't really matter. It works as with the API. Just one thing that you need to know. If you're working with a non-API solution, it may take a little bit more time because it's eBay's limitation. So if you are working with the non-API solution, again, if you upload in this way around 100 or more products, it can take even few hours because you will see the products stuck on eBay's side. How to know this? You can go to the view upload results here, and here you will see what's going on with your uploads. So if you see here a lot of products which are a lot of uploads that their status is in progress, in queue, something like this, it means that the upload still didn't upload to eBay and it's stuck on eBay's side. Can I talk again about bulk listing? Sure. If you go to AutoDS Uploader, then you click bulk upload, you can put here list of ASINs or list of source product IDs. Then go here in the bottom, choose the right policy that you want here and click save products. If I click here save products, all of my uploads will be shown under the schedule uploads calendar, and then I will be able again to click on the Chrome browser, upload pending uploads to eBay, and that's all. All of my uploads that are pending here will be uploaded to eBay. Can we import products directly from Zik with non-API? Actually, it's something which is in progress and it will be developed really soon. But you can download file of products from eBay, from Zik, go to bulk upload here, list your products here, click save, and then continue the process as I showed before. For everyone who wants to try AutoDS for $1 for up to 10,000 listings, just go to our YouTube channel and click on this link. It will give you the next offer, which is up to 10,000 listings monitoring, one manual store for your trial period, 30 automated orders, and lister, which includes the variations, regular uploads, bulk uploads, and the drafts, which I just showed on this webinar. We have few last minutes. Write down in the chat any questions that you have. Does the AutoDS Finder works for the non-API solution? No, it's one of the next features which we will release for the non-API users. What number of uploads to eBay would I recommend without having any problems? I recommend around 100, 150, maximum 200 products per day, per store. No, we don't have any migration from API stores to non-API because it's not recommended. Actually, it's a waste of time, and we really don't recommend you to move API stores to the non-API solution, but it's up to you. and you can do it. Carol, if you have any personal questions, just write down in the chat of AutoDS and the support will help you. We are working for 24/7, don't worry. Great Vero protection you have, thank you very much. I know we really spend a lot of time and effort to make our Vero list the best, because this is something which can make the difference between a successful dropshipper and dropshipper who his store was blocked. Every how many times the extension uploads products. So when you click here on upload pending uploads to eBay, it will send your files directly to eBay automatically. Then what will happen from this step, it depends on eBay. It depends on eBay's queues, and it depends on how long it will take to eBay to upload your products. Does AutoDS non-API upload tracking automatically? No, but it does automated orders. Carol, we don't have something like you didn't get support on the support chat. It doesn't exist. If you check our intercom here, you can see team usually replies in few minutes. It's something which intercom, our support system, writes automatically here. So we answer any client. Just write down in this chat and you will get an answer. The product finder is one of the next features of the non-API solution, as I already said. Okay, 2 last minutes for this live event. Please write down any questions that you have. I'll go and check a little bit questions on Facebook. As I said, all of this live is going only from YouTube, so it's much faster to get answers there, but I will read a bit questions on Facebook. When PC off, is it working? No, you should have your browser always on if you want it to work for you. Okay, I see a lot of questions on Facebook. Let me go over this. For how long is the trial for 10,000 listings? It's for 1 week. Do I need to keep my browser on 24/7 or just the extension? What do you mean? The extension will not run if your browser is off. It's something which is really important. Do we have a video which explains the steps one by one? Yes. When you will link your manual store to AutoDS, you will get a pop-up which shows you how to work with the non-API solution. You can also go to help.autods.com, knowledge base, scroll down, and you will see here all of our tutorials about the manual dropshipping solution. It exists here. You have here all of the steps. Useful links for the file exchange, manual dropshipping extension full explanation, how to upload using the non-API solution, how to work with the untracked listings and products monitor, and how to install the Chrome extension. Everything is here, so you can just go to the help center and read it there. What will be on the 26th? We will show something. I cannot share it right now, but it will be something really interesting and really amazing. Keep in your calendar the time, 26th of this month at 2 p.m. EST time. Fahadi, it depends on you. Actually, it's up to you. I cannot really assist you with this question. Is the null API will help you to not being flagged? This is what some gurus and people says in the network. For now, I will not say the answer for this because I want to wait a few weeks to check the statistics and changes between the non-API stores and the API stores. When I checked on my stores with my strategies, it worked the same. Just joined you guys a few days ago and I would like to know about bulk listing and where would I find that information. So first of all, as I showed before, if you go to help.autods.com, you have there our help center. If you write on the search there bulk, you will see all of the articles about the bulk uploads. I can also show you a short demonstration for this. Go to the bulk uploads. Here, put a list of ASINs or product IDs, which you can grab with the AutoDS helper, something like this. You can also upload CSV file where on the column A you put the product IDs. Choose here the supplier, profits, configuration and break-even, template. We support many different templates. Price ranges. Here you can put tag for your products, for example Christmas or Halloween or anything that you want. Choose if you want to upload with variations or without. Choose here the policy and then click save products, and that's all. This is the whole process of the bulk uploads. Okay, so we will start closing this live event. I really enjoyed to be here with you today. I hope to see you with us on AutoDS, part of our family. We offer some interesting things that nobody else offers. The non-API solution, which is the most automatic API, non-API solution. Free mentorship program. We offer applications for the iOS and Android, for both of them. You can use our mobile apps, which will save you a lot of time and make your life much easier. You can try AutoDS for $1 if you go to autods.com/now-1-$. You can see it under this YouTube video. There is a link. It will also give you one free manual store for the trial period and 30 free automated orders. I really also, the last thing is that as I said, you can get the free dropshipping mentor in AutoDS, which will skyrocket your sales and skyrocket your business. I'm really waiting to see you with us, and I'm really happy to see all of you with us on this live event. See you on the next releases, see you on the next new features which will come, and see you on the 26th of this month. Bye bye, good day, good night, and good evening to everyone on this live. Bye bye.